Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Hey, I'm back. All right, before we get started, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And for those of you that's already subscribed to my channel, welcome back, guys. All right. I hadn't made a video in a minute, so I'm back to give you an update on a few postcard programs that I'm affiliated with. I'm going to give you a brief description of each one. There's 4 of them. And then I received some envelopes. And as I stated before, I don't come online every time I receive commissions, okay? So, took a little break for a minute on that, but I'm back just to let you guys know this continues to work even during the pandemic, okay? So, let's go over those real fast here. Won't keep you guys long. One of the first postcard programs is the Cash Cow, okay? Cash Cow 100 pays $100, guys, on 2 tiers, level 1, level 2, which means everybody you sign up, when they make a sale, they make $100, you make $100, okay? So you building leverage, okay? That gives you leverage. So you have a team of people. Your name is going to be on their card. So when they mail out, they're mailing for you. It's like cloning yourself, okay? So it pays $100 per sign up. It's $300 to get in this program, okay? You're gonna mail 3 money orders in. All the information is on the card. I'm gonna put a link below for it. Does not come with a website, okay? This one comes with 100 postcards. The company is gonna mail you 100 cards. I'm gonna mail you 200 leads for joining me. Just a gift for joining my team, okay? Cash Cow 100, okay? Next one up, Postcard Tycoon, okay? www.thepostcarddiva.com. Check this one out. This one pays $300 per sale. This one is $4.98 to get in. There is a website with this one. This one comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads. When you join me, I'm going to give you 400 leads to get started with this one. Okay, now the company has a bonus with this one. They call it the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, Postcard Tycoon. Okay, so check that one out. Next one, Profit Max Formula. This is a pretty nice size card. This is what they're going to see when they pull this one out the mailbox. This is the side that's going to be turned up. The label goes here. The stamp goes here. Okay? And your name and number will be on the front, on the back. Okay? This one pays $500 per sale. It's $6.95 to get in. You're going to send in 2 money orders. Okay? For this one. This one doesn't come with any leads. Doesn't come with any postcards. But when you join me, I'm going to throw in 500 leads for you so you can get started with this one. And I'll give you my resource where I get these printed up. Okay, all these cards printed up at a good price and a good quality. As you can see the glossiness on it. Okay, and it's good card stock. So it's not flimsy. It won't get, bended or anything like that in its travels. Okay, it's pretty sturdy. Okay, so now you're talking high ticket, guys. How many of these would you need to make a month to reach your income goals? 500 per sale. All right, that's that one. Profit Max Formula. Okay. Next one, Supreme Profit System pays $1,000 per sale. Okay, and it's 2 tiers. It comes with a website. Okay, so when one of your teammates make $1,000, you make $1,000. Okay, so how many of these do you need to reach your income goals? This is high ticket, $1,000 per sale. It comes with 1,000 cards. The company's going to send you that, and then when you join me, I'm going to send you 1,000 leads. Okay, so you have a website with this. 1,000 leads and 1,000 cards. Okay, on 2 tiers. Okay. You got a team. When they make 1,000, you make 1,000. Okay. Supreme profit system. All right. So those are the 4 that I'm affiliated with. And let me just show you, without showing the names of the people. I've got these ready to go out. I'm gonna mail these tomorrow. As you can see, I've got my labels on here. I just gotta get me some more postcard stamps. And this is the Tycoon. I've already mailed some of the other ones out already. Okay, so I actually do mail, guys. Okay, so those will be going out. Now, that being said, let's go check out these 3 envelopes that came in. And you can go check the links out below and decide which one of these you want to get in. I don't want to cut the money order. All right. So these type of programs are for people, and I spoke with a few people today. They don't want to do the internet marketing deal. So if that's you, where you're saying, hey, I just want to do something simple, I want to make some money from home, but I don't really want to deal with the internet marketing. I don't want to do with the social media. Any of those things, direct mail marketing may be what you're looking for. Okay. Because all you need to do is be committed to your mailings, be dedicated to it, have some patience, be consistent, and just do your mailings, okay? We give you the lead sources where you can get targeted people from, and you just do the work in mailing them, okay? So, this one is the Tycoon, it says. Okay. Okay. Welcome, Miss Lydia. Let's see here what we've got. Oh, my bone. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay, gotcha. All right. This is one of my bonuses. Okay, that's what I was reading. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna cover up this information here. I don't want to show you these routing numbers and such. Let me show you this real quick. See, it says the Tycoon right here, right? So $300, but right here it says my bonus. Remember I told you after every 5th sale, the company's gonna send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. That's what he's telling me here. He circled and said this is one of your bonus, the 5th sale. Okay, this happens over and over. So that's $300, guys. Okay, let's put that right there. Awesome. Go to the next one. This is the real deal, guys. And see, what I like about this too is all of your money orders are going to be in your name. There's no middle. The company's not going to middle guy, or the company's not in the middle of it. Your folks are just going to put the money order in your name, and I recommend mailing it priority too. Okay, that way you can track it. All right, let's see. Okay, this one has 2 money orders in it. This is the cash cow. Okay, $100 per sale. Okay. No. Ooh, I'm sorry. Yeah, there's a cash cow and a Tycoon. That's right. Mr. Wilson, I spoke with him. He joined both programs. Okay, he joined the cash cow and the Tycoon. I'm going to show you that on here. Here's the money orders. Let me cover this up because we don't want these. Let me show you. You'll see. Let's do this. See that? There's a $300 money order and a $100 money order. Okay, that's $400. And let me show you the paperwork that comes with it. Okay, right here. Right here, see it says Tycoon up here, and down here it says cash cow. This person, welcome aboard Wilson. He joined both programs all in one. Okay, so this stuff works. Awesome, awesome. So next one up, last one up. Now that's awesome. I have another person that's actually think, doing the same thing. I've been speaking to people all week. I think I got another person that's doing that as well. Okay, let's see what this one is. Cash cow. Okay, let me put this over this. Well, let's fold this down. I'm going to show these numbers here at the bottom. Cash cow right here, there's 100. Okay, $100 for that one. All right, so you get these little sheets so you'll know, and it has the person's name right here too. Matter of fact, here it is, Martin Gray. See, it tells you who joined you, so you'll know. And it has the address of the person. A lot of times it has the phone number too, because I actually call everybody that joins me if the phone number is listed. Okay, if it's not there, I request it if the company has it. Okay, so guys, with that being said, let's see what we got. Right, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 3, 800. Okay, I'm going to show you these. $800. I'm going to put this at the bottom of it. Put this at the bottom. Let's see. That's $800, guys. Postcard marketing, direct mail marketing, because I have another program that you mail flyers. 800. Okay. Then you look on the back, haven't been signed, right? I want you to see that. No signature. No signature. It's a real deal. Okay? So, you decide which one of these programs suits you. 100 per sale, 300 per sale, 500 per sale, 1,000 per sale. And like I said, I do have someone that joined, I think it's the Tycoon and something else. Somebody joined 2 programs. I'll come back and show you guys those 2. But guys, these do work with consistency. Just like online marketing, you have to be consistent, okay? This is just the way that we promote. Instead of being online, we're just promoting everything in the mail, okay? But it takes consistency and dedication, all right? So I look forward to working with each and every one of you who's ever interested. I'll put my information below. Feel free to give me a call after you've gone to the websites or the link to check out everything. Jot down your questions. I'll be happy to answer those for you. And I look forward to working with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And you guys be safe out there, all right? And I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.